now at a very nice lot of 1939 New York World's Fair ephemera, and this lot pertains to the household. That's great. And food, cooking, recipes, kitchens, and so on. Each of these would have been distributed in different pavilions by different commercial businesses of different types. That's great. Look at that. Ha, jeez. Product packaging right there. Wow, that's so interesting. And then we've got this Food Adviser, Fall 1939. Some of these even have extra little inserted handbills. Wow, look at those ladies in those dresses carrying all the food there. Ah, here we are. The Way to His Heart. Oh my God. Drink more milk. Right. Okay, and here is a recipe book with color photographs of, oh my goodness, little children there. Look at the packaging. Yeah, it's fun stuff. And here is a recipe, a little handbill. And here is the all-gas home. Right. And what is this? This appears to be something that unfolds like so. I don't know, I guess it goes like this. And then we've got this. And this port comes from Oporto in Portugal only. There we are, nicely printed, lithographed actually. It goes with this as well. List of, I don't know what this is, a list of firms that sell port, evidently. And then we've got another little periodical type format here. Yes, typical dinner party. Okay, and we've got this, recipes from the World's Fair. Actually, this folds open like so. And it's got, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that packaging. Yes. Then we've got this, Parade of Modern Roses. Okay, not quite sure, at the World's Fair. Yeah, okay. And here's Selling the World of Tomorrow. Look at that tram, or looks like it could be a bus or a tram. This is nice. Very art. Oh, look at that photograph. Wow. Very Art Deco. And the final item here is this card showing the fair at night. Compliments of Oakite products. And so this lot of World's Fair ephemera is now currently available online from me, Brian DiMambro.